How beautiful is this? We got some pizza over here. Just getting ready to head out. Woo woo!
Huh?
I don't think our piece needs to be that either. I was gonna bring the whole thing.
Yeah, because his ropes aren't even on.
I was just curious what you were asking for.
You like fish sticks. You're a gay fish.
It's all good.
Here,
Dude, I'm ready to watch South
I don't know where you are.
Follow my voice. Oh no!
Is it in the water? Is it sinking?
I feel it.
I sank it.
Sorry, bro.